Hello everyone, welcome back to another painting demo, and today I am working on the sketch for another piece. So this is my favourite graphite pencil. It's a Lira one. It's pretty thick and chunky, so as you can see it's about the width of my finger. And we'll also be using this, which is charcoal, which is willow charcoal. This is the box, it's Winsor & Newton. And as you can see, this is our reference picture in the top corner. It is gladioli, which is one of my favourite flowers. We don't really grow a lot of it where we are at the moment, but going forward hopefully we will be able to. So we're just working through some pre-sketches for another painting, which you'll see if you keep watching. Or keep your eyes peeled. The video for that will be coming up shortly after this one. And basically I'm just going to kind of get down the petal shapes, the kind of shapes that I want, and then maybe layer down some colours to look at the colour palette for what I'm going to do. This is basically the pre-sketch. I tend to do these quite a bit just to kind of give me an idea of what I'm working towards. Now the piece I'm doing from this is some abstract flowers. If any of you are connoisseurs of the pastel world, then you'll have seen some of Deborah Stewart's work. Well, it's kind of similar to that, where it's more about expressive mark making, bringing to life lots of different things, and she, like I, kind of like flowers, just being able to kind of represent flowers without having to actually go into too fine a detail. Weirdly enough, the human brain has the capacity to fill in gaps. So as long as you have a rough gist of what it is, you'll very, very quickly be able to work at, your brain will very quickly tell you this is a flower, or this is this type of flower, or that is a jar, or that is a box, or that is a window, or that is sunlight. Our brains are very good at filling in gaps. So I'm just kind of very, very loosely holding the willow between my fingers here and just allowing it to kind of skip and jump. The paper I'm using here is the Clairefontaine Paint on Mixed Media. It's 300 GSM, so it's quite thick, but it's also got a very small amount of texture. So it's able to kind of grip charcoal and pastel quite well for sketching purposes, which is what this is. I'm just working on the big one right in the middle of the stem there. I probably won't do these in the same order when I actually do the painting. I like to kind of mix things up, and more to do with where I envision the best placement of each of the types, each of the flower heads, rather than what's actually on the stalk. Remember, this isn't to do with realism. I'm not copying it exactly as is. It's more about being expressive while being able to give the perception of this is a gladioli. Hopefully you'll all get that from the full painting if you watch that video next. So you can see I'm just marking everything out in the graphite. The reason for that is, being a nice thick chunky pencil, it kind of hops around a wee bit, and it gives me the ability just to kind of roughly sketch really loosely. The charcoal then I can put on top. It mixes well with the graphite, so it kind of gives me a better base and idea of what we're going to do. Stamens in this, I kind of wish I'd picked out a smaller piece of charcoal from the box rather than this thick one, but hey ho, is what it is. Right, I'm going to let you guys continue to watch this process. Enjoy this with a cup of tea, and hopefully you'll join me in the next video where I actually do the main painting. Ta-ta for now.
Mm-hmm.